Eaton Steel Bar Company absolutely has the finest steel bar products in the world, ready to go directly into their customers' operation, whatever it may be. Eaton Steel Corporation is our hot roll special bar quality steel mill depot. Our main business is the managing of inventory for our customers. And we manage different kinds of inventory for different kinds of customers. We manage hot roll inventory for those customers that use that product, and we manage cold run inventory for customers who use that product also. Basically, we need to be able to take the job of managing steel away from our customer and allow him to concentrate on his core competency. So in order to accomplish that, we have to understand how much the customer is going to use, when he's going to use it, what grades, sizes, and shapes he's going to use. And then we need to manage that inventory in our own factories so that we have precisely what the customer wants, precisely when he's going to need it. And we're not afraid of the term inventory, because frankly, that's the only way that we can service our customers the way they need to be serviced. So inventory is not a dirty word here. Hercules Drawn Steel Corporation is our cold drawn steel bar mill. There are a number of reasons why Hercules has an advantage or an edge over our competition in the industry. First and foremost is we have people. Our people are knowledgeable. They understand the equipment that they're using. We have extensive training that they go through. We also give them the finest, highest automated equipment that exists anywhere in the world. So when we need to produce volume, when we need to produce high quality products, we have the machinery and the people to be able to do it. We have the quality systems that go right along with the equipment and people. So we're able to modify and create quality systems very specific to our customer needs. Our processes start, of course, with purchasing of the raw material from the finest steel producers in the world. It's brought in, it's descaled, we draw it through a tungsten carbide die. That process reduces the diameter by about 12%. It increases the physical properties of the steel. The steel has more strength, is more precise, has better chip forming capability. It's surface tested for imperfections such as cracks, scabs, laps. It's run through straighteners, it's cut to length, and it's bundled and weighed at the end of the process.
Titan Metallurgy is our A2LA accredited metallurgical laboratory and technical company. When we started Titan Metallurgy, at the time the steel industry was going through what we call a brain drain. A typical path for resolution to material issues would be for a customer to have a problem, bring it to us, have us take it back to the mill that melted the steel, and have their metallurgists do an analysis. That may take a month, and in today's day and age, you need answers yesterday. So we decided we have our own group of metallurgical engineers in the house. Why don't we set up the right equipment and the right accreditation so that we can have an independent laboratory ourselves? Now it takes 24 to 48 hours for turnaround. In 2003, when we started Titan Metallurgy, we wanted to seek out the best quality system or registrar governing body for that. Typically, for a manufacturer, you would seek out an ISO standard. For our laboratory, we pursued an A2LA accreditation. The one difference being that the A2LA accreditation may be more prescriptive as far as not only having the documentation that you have all the systems in place, but actually testing you for accuracy and repeatability. The number one goal was to provide our customers with a value-added service. You know, our business is unique in the fact that, in some respects, we're a stockholder or a mass distributor of product. On the other side, we're actually a manufacturer of products. And in all of the areas where we would either add value as an ancillary process or a direct manufacturing process, all of our equipment has always been researched and bought with the goal in mind of getting the latest technology that's out there, always trying to be a little bit ahead of the curve. When we were designing our sawing and shearing department at Eaton Steel, we felt though that the equipment that is at most of my customers, to them it's not their core competency. So we decided we need to invest the resource. We decided to do it kind of like a greenfield project. First thing we did is we sat all of our operators down and we had a town hall meeting. What are all the downtime issues? And we got tremendous feedback from all of our employees. We took that and we decided we're going to develop this from ground up with best quality, lowest cost, highest production. Some of the things that we did, we decided to put a 200-foot long underground conveyor system in for waste removal. It was a big project to excavate it and to do all the concrete work and all the welding and put in the pit. At the end of the day though, on all of our machines, there's 8 cutting lines attached to that scrap conveyor. All of the machines have 10% more uptime because of that, and we planned for that at the beginning. When we looked at robots, it was for something that a person couldn't do physically. Our first attempt at robotics was at a situation where I had a machine running 30 pieces a minute. So every 2 seconds, I have a part coming off, and they all weigh 10 pounds. In a minute, how do you get 150 bars, 150 pounds, 10 bars, neatly stacked perfectly in a container, and do that every minute? So a person can't do it. That's when we started looking at robotics. And what we found is we now have 5 robots doing packaging off of 9 different lines, and there's a lot of unique ways that we can add value for our customers that way.
Atlas Trucking and Logistics is our transportation company. It handles all incoming and outgoing steel for Eaton Steel Corporation, Hercules Drawn Steel Corporation, as well as others in the industry. We're a hot roll bar mill depot and a cold finish bar mill. We have the largest size range of cold finish bars in North America, from 1/4 inch up to 10 inch. Our inventory is currently about 100,000 tons, which is probably more than anywhere else in North America, maybe even in Europe. And we want to ship material to customers who are using mill quantities. Our trucking company is set up to carry truckloads, 20-ton truckloads, and most of our customers are repeat customers, buying steel every week from us on a weekly basis. We have stocking programs and contract programs where we enable them to have almost no inventory on the floor and turn their inventory maybe every week. It's crucial that we have just-in-time delivery to our customers. With Atlas Trucking, as part of the Eaton group of companies, we're able to give our customers this just-in-time delivery. With well over 100 trucks, we can control the incoming from the steel mills and reload the trucks for outgoing to our customers. Customer demands have increased dramatically over the last 10 to 15 years, where not only do they want the steel the next day, they want it at a certain time period the next day. Having control and owning our own trucks enables us to do this.